In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use linked databases in Notion. A linked database is simply another view of an existing database. It shows the exact same data as the original, but you can customize how it looks and behaves on the page where you place it. This is perfect when you want to reuse information in multiple pages without duplicating or breaking the source. To get started, go to notion.com, click Login, and head into your workspace. Open the page where you want this linked view to live. Notion organizes everything into pages, so pick a page that makes sense for your team or your project. On that page, press the / on your keyboard, then type the word linked. The / command opens Notion's quick insert menu, and typing linked narrows it down to exactly what we need. From the options that appear, click linked view of data source. Next, choose the database you want to view. You'll see your existing databases from your workspace. Select the one you want, and Notion will drop a linked database onto your page. Remember, this is not a copy, it's a window into the same records. If you update a task or a note here, it updates everywhere. Now customize how you see that data. You can change the view type to match your workflow, like table for a spreadsheet style grid, list for a simple linear view, board for a Kanban style pipeline, or calendar to lay items out by date. Switch to the view that helps you scan and act on the information most easily. You can also hide properties to keep things clean without affecting the original database. Properties are the columns of your database, such as status, due date, or tags. Hiding them in this linked view only changes how they appear here, leaving the source database intact. A quick tip: if you don't see the database you're looking for, make sure it already exists in your workspace and that you have permission to access it. And as you work, keep in mind that the content is shared. Editing entries changes them everywhere, while visual settings like view type and hidden properties are just local to this page. That's it. Simple, flexible, and powerful. You now know how to create and tailor a linked database so your information is always visible where you need it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.